New details tonight in the Manhattan District Attorney's investigation into former President Trump and an alleged hush money payment to adult film star Stormy Daniels. A grand jury in the case will hear tomorrow from a last-minute witness, a Trump ally, and an attorney who once represented Michael Cohen. Eyewitness News reporter Lucy Yang is in the newsroom with the latest.
Well, Sandra, the plot thickens around Donald Trump and a grand jury investigation here in New York City. Will it result in the arrest of the former president? Trump believes that could happen in the next 48 hours. 1 minute he's talking about running for the White House again. The next, Donald Trump is announcing he might be arrested as early as Tuesday. The former president now calling on his supporters to protest. Sources tell ABC News the Manhattan grand jury investigating Donald Trump is expected to hear from another witness tomorrow, Bob Costello, a lawyer and longtime Trump ally. We understand Trump's legal team wants Costello to testify. At issue, $130,000 given to porn star Stormy Daniels, so-called hush money. The Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg is investigating whether that check broke campaign finance laws. The DA is not showing his cards and whether he has enough to charge Trump. But in this email to his staff obtained by ABC News, the DA writes, quote, "We do not tolerate attempts to intimidate our office." Across the aisle, Republicans are furious. House Speaker Kevin McCarthy calling this an outrageous abuse of power by a radical DA. Former Vice President Mike Pence more measured but deeply concerned.
It just feels like a politically charged prosecution here. And I, for my part, just feel like it's just not what the American people want to see.
DA Bragg has also been criticized in New York City for not prosecuting crime in his own backyard, not going after violent offenders who have terrorized New Yorkers. While it is highly unusual for a local DA to target a former president, Democrats defend the move.
No one is above the law, not even the former president of the United States.
Now, some believe a criminal announcement by the district attorney could actually backfire and end up boosting donations to Donald Trump. Whatever the outcome here, the former president is also being investigated for alleged election interference in Georgia. All this quite a reversal from when Trump used to say of Hillary Clinton, "Lock her up." Joe.